The best gift I've received in a long time. I get to grow my own bonsai with this Avergo Bonsai Kit. It's seriously so cute, and it comes with everything you need, even the dirt, and anyone, anywhere can use it. It comes with 5 different types of seeds that are proven to have a high germination rate, and they even include extra seeds just in case. You can choose from 2 different kits. Both of them have 5 different types of seeds to choose from. They are all beautiful, but the jacaranda has definitely become my favorite. The only thing you need to provide is water and sunshine. The instructions were easy to follow, which makes it great for a beginner like me. They even give you a QR code to scan if you need help or need seed replacements. Just soak the seeds for 24 hours, then you get to pour water onto the dirt to expand it, which was actually really cool. Just break the soil up with your hands and place it in the pots. Then make a hole with your finger, add the seeds with the tweezers, and cover them up using the included shovel. Label each pot with the wooden signs and place them in a spot with great light. Just water when the soil is dry and wait for your bonsais to sprout. The wooden box that the kit comes in is super cute. Once the bonsai trees are grown, I can reuse it as a gift box, for storage, or even as a DIY project. These 4 were the ones that sprouted first, and I cannot wait for the last one to pop up soon. I have loved this gift, and I definitely will be getting it for my friends too. So if you're looking for a great gift, check out this Avergo Bonsai Kit today.